Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica. Thank you so much for being here. I just filmed an entire intro that was a fail. So here we are doing it again. Today's video is going to be a Euphoria Valentine's look. I did a couple of these already, so I think this is going to be my last one. Honestly, I don't have that much time today, just like the last two videos, so I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm like, where is all my brow stuff? I need to do my brows, so I think I'm gonna do that and come back and get into this look. Yeah, I need to get all set up. I was not ready to film today's video. Like, I keep snoozing my freaking alarm. Like, I will set it like right before I go to sleep, and then in the morning I'm just like snooze, 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 snooze. Like, I do not, it's like two different people almost. Like the person who sets the alarm and the person who will not wake up for that alarm. So that's what I've been up to. School just started and I'm doing in-person classes, which I am not psyched about. Okay, girl, it's fine though. It's just like, I want to be able to like leave at the drop of a hat and go see my family and stuff like that. So I cannot exactly do that if I have to be there physically in class, but it is what it is. It's only like not that much time left anyway, so I'm not gonna complain about it. This is what my hair is looking like today. When I first woke up, it was a total mess. And then after I like took it out of my little crappy ponytail and I let it sit for a while, it actually looks kind of cute. So that's why I was like, okay, we're gonna do a tutorial today. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna do my brows really quick and let's get into this video. Also, please watch my TikToks if you can and go follow me on TikTok. It's the same as my name down there. It's Erica Adrienne Makeup. Okay, so let's get into this video. Hey guys, so I just went in with my Raw Beauty Christie Pure palette and I went in with Hurtful and the white, and now I'm also going to blend this one into it. So I basically just kind of put the most color here in my crease and then I blended it up. So I think I'm going to just keep doing that, keep blending some more, and then we will be back for the cut crease. Hey guys, so I just want to go over really quick so I can just, you know, stay where I am and I don't have to like fall behind and show you guys products later, whatever, just to make it easier. So the highlights that I used today, I use these two for my cheek, and then I use this Artist Couture eye pigment, but I use it as a highlight. It's in the shade Nebula, and then I use this blue right here underneath right here, as you can see, and then I got a little purple shimmer under there, and then I added some pink. I felt like I needed something, and then I tried to smudge my eyeliner. It didn't work, so we're gonna try something else. Stick around, we're about to add these rhinestones right now. Here are the ones I have. Don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm excited. I'm gonna go for something very Rue. Okay, my thoughts is maybe I can do like all shimmer down here, all matte up here. So let's see how it goes. Let's keep going with this look. This is totally like on the fly look. I did not plan this out. Usually for more complicated looks, I tend to plan them out, but not today. So also, if you want to see my look from last year, I can link it up here. Not the same at all, but similar vibes. Okay, you guys, I'm finally done with this look. Oh my god, it feels like it took me forever. Do I have lipstick in my teeth? I do. That was not cute. Okay, so here's my look. I really need to go take my pictures now, but thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me do this look. I had a lot of fun doing it, and it looks super cute. I didn't really know which direction I was going, like I said, but I like was inspired by the Euphoria cover, like the OG one with Rue, how she has like the purple and blue makeup, like as if she cried it out or something. I don't know. Yeah, she had it like underneath just the way that I do. So I'm obsessed with this look. I had so much fun. I love you guys, and I hope you're having a great Valentine's Aquarius season. Yeah, take care. Love you. Bye.